All right, what is going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to shoot with both eyes open. So let's go and get right into it. First things first, guys, you're going to make sure you want to follow me on Twitch if you guys want to live chat with me about guns or any kind of laws, and then follow my social media. All links down below for any kind of rage clips. Me in the war zone. Call of Duty just has my emotions triggered at all times. All right. So I just saw Colin Noir's video in a controlled environment against multiple enemies, and afterwards he literally said he never saw the sight, which in that oh crap moment, it's absolutely true. You need to point a gun and be able to address any kind of threat, so that's why you're going to want to keep both eyes open, and this is the point of this video today. So I'll be doing another video on how to become a pull-up shot, being able to just come up and not even aim at that point, and we'll get into that in another video. It's a whole different thing, as well as all of the necessary things that you need to buy a gun in California for any kind of newbies. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you never miss out. Go ahead and check me out. Leave a comment down below if you think this video is trash. Leave a like if you support. Let's get right into it. Now, the first training that I would recommend is doing it with both hands and eyes. My brother, who is naturally ambidextrous, he skates regular and goofy. It was so easy for him to adjust because he's always doing things with both of his hands, whether it's riding, skating, or even shooting the guns. When we were out in the desert, I constantly saw him switching over to the left hand, which is great training overall. So, and this obviously applies to firearms, allowing you to clear corners properly, because if you try to clear a left corner and you're right-handed, it's a lot easier to go to the left, but right once you have to go to the right, you're going to have to swing your whole body that way to adjust threat to that side. So this is why training with both hands is also important, but it'll allow you to get those eyes in sync. Sorry, a little bit parched here. Now, second is taking your shooting goggles and chapping out, or using chapstick to blur out one side, or anything you get, maybe even tape, whatever works for you, and then adjusting accordingly. Let me go ahead and get a gun. And then once you have that eye covered, going and coming up, as you can see, that's why I fucking, excuse my language, that's why I hate Glocks. The angle is not the same. Like if I grab the 1911, I swear to God, it comes up and it is always perfect online. The grip angle in a Glock, let's not even get into that. I hate Glocks personally, but I got this for a steal. Excuse me. So blurring out one side of the eyes and the goggles is perfect training. Now, the next one that I found out is when I was a total coconut head and whatnot with my long hair. Hair would always get into my face, and make sure you part it to the non-dominant eye, and then it literally just becomes so easy to adjust. I almost get no parallax. The reason why I like having the hair in the face is because it doesn't completely impede your peripherals, just so you can see if extra threats are coming your way. Now, lastly is properly pointing the gun in the right way, which is a whole nother video in itself. I'll show you everything I did to train, and the do's and don'ts of not actually pointing the gun correctly, or actually pointing the gun correctly and not doing what some dummies did that I saw at the gun store. One guy literally said, "Oh, I can't, the sights never line up for me." I was like, "You're pointing the gun wrong." And sure enough, he was completely pointing it in the wrong way. But pointing out, making sure you could see the sight. Now, see, that's why you got to train with the Glock a lot more. Finally got it down perfectly down the sights and whatnot. That's all we got for you today. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed. You guys take care.